This is the elevator at the Dobama Theatre, I think that's how you say it, in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. We got another Schindler 338 here. Air 1, or B. Close the door, because somebody's literally sitting by the steps. Go to here too. It's got a B. Door closes does not work on Schindler. £3,000 capacity. Here's your directory. Dobama. That's what it's called. Or B. I'm gonna end it at 2 because I gotta get across though first to go to the library. Alright, here we go. You can't really hear the motor with the annoying fan on. Here too.